Ever toyed with the idea of running your own YouTube channel? Well, today's the day we demystify the process. We're going to break it down into 8 simple steps. First things first, find your niche. This should be something you're passionate about, something you could talk about all day. Your niche is like the backbone of your channel, providing structure and guiding your content creation. Next up, research and planning. Once your niche is in place, it's time to delve deeper. Explore what's trending within your chosen topic. Tools like Google Trends can be invaluable here. A well-researched plan can be the difference between a one-hit wonder channel and one that consistently draws in an audience. Step 3. Setting up your channel. Head over to youtube.com, click on Sign In. If you're not a Google account holder yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture, select Create a Channel, and follow the instructions, and voila, your own YouTube channel is up and running. The 4th step is all about branding. Make your channel uniquely yours with a custom banner, a distinctive logo, and an engaging intro. These elements make your channel memorable and help it stand out in the crowd. Now, on to step 5, creating quality content. This is where you get to flex your creative muscles. Remember to focus on quality over quantity. Good lighting, clear audio, and seamless video editing can make all the difference. The more professional your content, the more likely viewers are to stick around. Step 6 involves uploading and optimizing your videos. When you're ready to share your masterpiece with the world, make sure you optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. This is a surefire way to improve your video's discoverability and attract a larger audience. Engaging with your audience is step 7. Building a community around your channel is vital. Make a point to respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your audience through community posts. This engagement fosters a sense of connection and keeps viewers coming back for more. Last, but certainly not least, is promoting your channel. Don't be shy about sharing your content on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. This helps you reach a broader audience and increases your channel's visibility. So there you have it. 8 clear, manageable steps to starting your very own YouTube channel. Find your niche, research, set up your channel, brand your channel, create quality content, upload and optimize your videos, engage with your audience, and promote your channel. Remember, consistency is key. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Until next time, happy creating!